Hey, what's up you guys? Installing a trailer hitch on your Nissan Xterra can take it to some really cool places, like camping, biking, or even towing a U-Haul trailer just about anywhere in North America. Let's go ahead and break down that install. You'll need the tools seen here to complete this installation. So we're going to start by loosening up the spare tire so we have some more flexibility when installing our hitch. We're going to use our provided spare tire tools. Now we're ready to bring our hardware into place. On our driver's side, we have 3 attachment points. We're going to be using this hole, and this hole. And it's identical on the passenger side. Now our kit comes with 3 carriage bolts and spacer blocks. And all the bolts are the same size, but the spacers are different sizes. First, let's show you where you can put your larger spacer block. Now our carriage bolt with our larger spacer block is going to go into our rearmost hole right here. We're just going to bring it through the frame and drop it into place. Now we're going to take our next size down and we're going to put it into our middle hole. Then we'll take our carriage bolt with the smallest block and we're going to put on our most forward hole. And we'll repeat on the passenger side. So now we're ready to bring our hitch into place. We're going to be using our U-Haul exclusive hitch jack. If you don't have a hitch jack, we recommend that you get an extra set of hands as this hitch is pretty heavy. So now we're ready to secure all of our bolts and our hitch into place. We're going to use our provided conical tooth washers and nuts. We're going to make sure that the teeth on the washers are facing towards the hitch. And we'll repeat on the other side. Now we're going to tighten and torque all of our bolts to the manufacturer specification. We're going to be using a 19mm socket, and it helps to use a 5-inch extension. And now we'll go ahead and reinstall our spare tire. With our hitch installed, we pulled our vehicle down onto level ground to show you some important measurements for your hitch accessories. This is a 2-inch receiver. The pinhole is flush with our bumper, and from the ground to the top of the inside of the receiver is 18 inches. This will help you determine the length, rise, and drop for your hitch accessories, such as a bike rack and cargo carrier. So that wraps up our install. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about this product, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with a U-Haul Hitch professional, you can visit your closest U-Haul Hitch center, or you can visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. Thank you.